Lenny the Lying Sock in the town of Laundryland. Socks live happily in drawers, danced at night, and played hide-and-seek with the dryer. But there was one sock who didn't quite fit in. His name was Lenny. He was loud, bright orange, and had one problem. He couldn't stop lying. I flew to the moon yesterday. I'm best friends with a dragon. I invented pizza. Every day, Lenny told bigger and sillier lies. The other socks just rolled their eyes literally. One rainy night, while hiding behind a winter scarf, Lenny spotted a lonely blue sock named Dotty. She was quiet, polka-dotted, and magical. Lenny told her, "I'm a superhero in disguise." Dotty giggled. "Really? Then prove it." Lenny puffed up. "Of course. I'll lift that whole laundry basket." He strained, wobbled, slipped, and landed in a spaghetti bowl. Dotty blinked. "You're something, but maybe not a superhero." The next day, the socks woke up to terrible news. The sock king's crown was missing. Every sock was inspected. Left socks, right socks, even baby socks. Lenny panicked, not because he stole it, but because he had lied so much that no one believed him anymore. "I didn't take it," he cried. "Sure you didn't," said a grumpy wool sock. "Was it the dragon again?" teased a striped slipper sock. Dotty sighed. "This is what happens when you stretch the truth like a pair of old tights." Lenny knew he had to fix things. He teamed up with Dotty and created the Sock Truth Squad. They looked under beds, behind closets, and inside shoes with questionable smells. Eventually, they found a sleepy kitten named Pickles, curled up in the crown like a nest. Mystery solved. Lenny shouted. The socks stared. "You expect us to believe you found it?" someone asked. Dotty stepped forward. "It's true. I was with him." The Sock King smiled. "Well then, Lenny, maybe it's time we gave you a fresh start." From that day on, Lenny decided to tell the truth, even if it wasn't exciting. "I brushed lint off my heel. I took a nap under the pillow. I didn't invent pizza." The socks clapped. It wasn't flashy, but it was honest. And when someone needed help, Lenny was the first they called. Because while he wasn't a superhero, he was trustworthy, and that's even better. The end educational themes. The importance of honesty, how lying can damage trust, friendship, teamwork, and redemption, self-acceptance without exaggeration.